What's going on, guys? We have a pretty cool unboxing today. We have the Rode PodMic, which is in this box, and then we have the GoXLR Mini, which is in this box. I received both packages today, and I'm super pumped because I'm going to be upgrading my streaming setup from the Blue Yeti to the Rode PodMic XLR microphone. By the way, statistics say that 94% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. So go ahead and click that subscribe button to join the XXI gang. Thank you. So let's get into the unboxing. I purchased these two products from BH Photo, so they both came. This one here, the GoXLR Mini, took the longest because it was sold out everywhere, so I had to buy it. It was back ordered. I waited for it to come into stock, and then it finally shipped. B&H Photo right there. This was a grand total of $347.99. The PodMic being $100, and the GoXLR was the remaining of the balance. So let's unbox the PodMic first. Alrighty, let's open it up. Looks like there was nothing in there. Here's the microphone. Holy crap, it's freaking heavy. It's kind of dirty, if I'll be honest. So I don't know if this like white line here, which it looks like it's easily being cleaned off. It could have been from the box, to be honest, and shipping, and then it rubbed against the microphone, but holy crap, this is such a heavy microphone. Putting this to the side. Quick start guide, and that's it. Next, we have the GoXLR Mini. So like I said, I'm gonna upgrade my streaming PC setup. I have a USB Blue Yeti microphone, and I wanted to go with a XLR microphone. I was thinking about that Shure SM7B, but I didn't want to drop too much money on a simple setup like mine. Maybe when I get more viewers, when I up my whole game, then yeah, but for now, this looks like a good setup for me. This looks like the USB that connects to the mixer straight to your computer. Let's open this up and let's see what this says. Quick start guide. Okay, so pretty much just like how to use it and whatnot. I don't know how to use one of these things, so I think I will read through this or just check up some tutorials online. Wow. Wow, this feels like a really good quality. All right, so we have mic, chat, music, and system. These feel so good. GoXLR there. Looks like you have a mute. Oh no. Yeah, 4 mutes. Oh yeah, so you can mute each one. Looks like a blur or a bleep if you want to cuss. And then I guess to mute your microphone. Here on the side, just like a vent, another vent. On the bottom, you have 4 grip feet so they don't slide. And then on the back, we have USB for the computer, optical, looks like, I don't know, for controller or something. I don't know what this is. Line in, line out, and the XLR, so that way you plug your microphone into this. This is gonna be the cable right here. I'm not gonna give a sound test on it just yet, but I am going to just show you what it looks like in my new setup. So I'm gonna connect this USB into the GoXLR. This end goes into the computer. By the way, you will need to provide yourself the cable from the microphone to the XLR, which is an XLR cable. You do need to buy this separately. They do not come included. But thankfully, my friend, he had a XLR cable, so he just gave me it. Let me show you how this would go. You plug this end into the, you plug this end here into your microphone, just like that. The other end into the GoXLR. Just like that. All right, so I'm gonna set this up on my desk where I want it to be. I'm gonna set up my microphone and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I know I said I wasn't gonna do a sound test, but I am. Since I have everything set up, I'm like, why not just implement this inside the video? I have everything set up with the mixer and the streaming PC, the gaming PC, and my microphone. I'm not an expert at sounds and audio levels and equalizers and bass and mid, treble. I'm not that tech savvy when it comes to that portion of microphones. So there might be some background noise that you hear, or something's a little bit too high, too low. You know, I'm not sure if I have to be directly into the mic on the front part here. I'm not too sure, but with time, I'll learn the best settings for this microphone. I'm pretty much only going to be using this when I'm streaming or when I make YouTube videos like this. So yeah, this is just the sound test. Hello, 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 hello. But yeah, I just wanted to put this clip inside the video so you guys can hear what this sounds like with me just being like a basic user in terms of audio and microphone. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. So there we have it. We have the microphone here on the stand, which feeds down into the GoXLR on the back. The GoXLR also has a USB running to my gaming PC, which is how I receive all of the sound from the gaming PC. And then I also have an aux cord running from the XLR running to my streaming PC, so that way it can pick up the microphone. It can also pick up the in-game noises. And then I also have another aux cable running from the streaming PC back into the GoXLR, so I can hear what's going on the streaming PC in case I get any stream alerts, donations, followers. So this is how I have it now. It's probably going to change up throughout the weeks or the months, because maybe I might switch around or get a new mouse pad or get something new just to help switch it around. But it does sit there. This is the gaming PC here. This is my microphone. And then this is the streaming PC here. I can mute. If I want to bleep out, if I want to cuss, I can do that. I can mute myself as well. It's pretty cool. I love the concept and I just love these products. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe so you guys know when I post my next video, and so you guys know when I go live on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.